Good morning, all of you wonderful and amazing people. I want to remind you guys that I do have that giveaway that is still going on over on my Facebook page. I am giving away 3 2-night trips to the Bahamas. So if you guys are interested in that, go over to my Facebook page, join the group, link down in the description box, and follow the rules if you want to get in on that giveaway. The giveaway actually ends on, I think it's 6/4. June 4th. I think the date that it ends is over there on my Facebook page. The reason why I'm confused about the dates is because I'm doing another giveaway on the black seed oil here on YouTube, and that giveaway ends on Saturday. So if you want to get in on the black seed oil giveaway, I'm giving away 2 bottles of black seed oil to 2 different people. Go over to the last video that I did on the black seed oil where I said that I am giving the black seed oil away, and just follow the rules on that video, and I will be announcing that winner on Saturday. Okay, so go over and do that. But I just came from the gym YM. I just came from the gym. Girl, that's why I'm looking busted, encrusted. I didn't do like really any hardcore exercise. I literally just did 4 miles on the treadmill. Not trying to go stupid hard in the pain, because when when you really getting back into the groove of things, because I'm going to be going back to the gym at least 4 or 5 days a week. When you're getting back in the groove of things, you don't want to just go in and just go super hardcore, because you're going to burn yourself out too freaking early. So I do not want to do that. So I only did, like, I think it was a little over 4 miles on the treadmill. I did, I was on a rather, steep incline. So I definitely want to do that. I didn't go in there and I didn't hit the weight super hard, which I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be starting next week. I think I'm going to switch up days. Like, some days I'm just going to do strictly cardio, and some days I'm going to do maybe 15-20 minutes on maybe either the bike or the treadmill, and the rest of the time I'm going to spend on the weights. So I'm going to do a conjunction of both of them. So it's, it's getting back real for you, girl, okay? But like I said, I'm backed into a corner right now because I don't want people all in my Kool-Aid and don't know the flavor. But you know how people see you talking to a camera, they want to be nosy and pass by your car like they, that's the path to where they're trying to go. But girl, you really just trying to see who I'm talking to and what I'm talking about, okay? Who I'm talking to and what I'm talking about, and it is what it is. It's all good. I've done that before too. Like, who they talking to? Are they talking to themselves? But that's just being nosy, girl. But okay, I talk fast. Let me try to slow it down. But anyway, for those of you that have been following me for any length of time, you know that I'm not trying to do that on purpose. It's just how I talk. I do need to put some freaking lip chap on my lips, because it feels like they're about to get like stupid ashy. All right, so there are a couple of things that I wanted to talk about. I had this young lady. She asked me, am I still doing the advice videos? I used to do advice videos a long time ago, and I said that I was going to start back doing those. There's a lot of stuff that I want to start back doing, but I'm trying to do too many things at one time, okay? And the juice man and my mother told me that I needed to pump my brakes, that I'm trying to do too much. But it's just like, family, I'm a hustler, okay? When I say I'm a hustler, I like to make money. I like to go out there. Being an entrepreneur, you can't just, be complacent with one thing. You have to try multiple different things, which is what I am personally doing. But I do understand that sometimes I try to do too many things at once, and that's what can get overwhelming. But there are a lot of you guys that are still asking me about the travel agent thing. Look, okay, I'm going to explain briefly here on this video. As far as the travel agent thing, I do not want anybody to get for my statements to get misinterpreted. You're not going to get paid to travel, okay? I don't know there are a lot of, businesses out there that will pay you to travel and do different things, but you will not get paid to travel. So you're not going to get a check, and they're going to tell you, here, take this $2,000 and go and have a good time in New York. No, that's not going to happen. You are going to be able to get paid while you're traveling, okay? And what I mean by that is you're going to make commissions off of booking your own travel, and not just that, you're going to make commissions off of booking other people's travel. A lot of you guys that are watching me, I'm pretty sure most of you guys have families that, do like group cruises, or even if you have a lot of good girlfriends that do group cruises, vacations, different things like that. A lot of people think that you don't need a travel agent in order to, book vacations, which you don't. You do not need a travel agent to book your vacations. But, okay, being a person who literally just became a travel agent and seeing the back end of the amount of not only knowledge, but the amount of vendors and discounts and things that travel agents get, as opposed to just going to your regular, site and booking a vacation by yourself, like Booking.com, TripAdvisor, those different types of places. Those prices are inflated. Okay, you want to know why? Because Booking, TripAdvisor, those types of places, they also get commissions for you booking through their engine. So you think it's a deal, but it's really not. Because the deals that we get, we'll look at our deal and then we'll go and compare it to TripAdvisor or Booking, and guess what? Ours are 9 times out of 10 much better than Booking or TripAdvisor. Not only that, we also get price matching. So if we just so happen to look at another vendor's website and theirs are cheaper than ours, we are able to price match that, and we get the difference off of our vacations as well. So I don't want people to think that, you're going to get paid to travel, okay? So they're not going to pay you money to go to New York and give you a big old check and say, go to New York and have a good time. No. You're going to be able to earn commissions off of your own travel. Not only are you going to be able to earn commissions off of your own travel, just say, for instance, you're having a family reunion and you guys want to go on a cruise. You being the travel agent in the family, your family books through you. You got 30, 40 people that are going on this cruise. You might make $5,000, $10,000 in commissions off of your family cruise. And not just that, you can find deals that, from you being a travel agent and the knowledge that you have learned, you will find exclusive deals where you can actually book those, book that cruise for however many passengers for way less than you would have probably been able to book it if you were to do it on your own. So it's just a lot of perks to being a travel agent, trust me. And a lot of people say, well, what is the fee for? Okay, and so a lot of people say, well, are you ever going to reveal the fee here on YouTube? Look, you have to remember, it is a business. So you are not going to start a home-based business for free, all right? In order for you to be a travel agent, you're going to have to pay $179 one time, okay? $179 one time, and that is going to be $39.95 per month. And a lot of people say, well, if I had to pay the $179, why do I have to pay the monthly fee? You have to understand that there's going to be overhead. And with any business, there's overhead. You're going to have to deal with, you have to pay by paper, you're going to have to pay for lights, you're going to have to pay for all these different things to run your business. No different with this. You're going to have to pay overhead. You're going to have to pay for your website, which has a built-in booking engine, okay? You're going to have your own website with your own business name, whatever you choose for your business name to be. It's going to be on the top of your website, and you're going to have a booking agent a booking engine built directly into the website. All of this is going to be provided to you for that $179. Not only that, you're going to have all of this training, okay? I'm talking about tons of freaking training. Not just that, you're going to be able to go to events, meet other travel agents. You're going to learn family. Like I said, the amount of knowledge that I have gained just from doing this for the last, how long have I been doing this? 2 weeks? I don't even know. It hasn't even been that long. And I have learned so much in these 2 weeks, okay? So much in these 2 weeks. Like I said, I've never even been on an airplane. And the couple of times that I did try to book plane tickets and I saw those astronomical prices, I was like, why in the world do people fly? Like, I didn't understand, like, why do people fly? It's too expensive to fly. I have found ways of booking flights for cheap, you guys. I mean, like I said, the amount of knowledge that I've gotten in these 2 weeks is just astronomical, okay? And this is something that I personally want to do for the long haul. Like I said, even if I don't develop a team of my own, the benefits alone are worth the $39.95 to me, okay, personally. So that's what the $179 for. You're basically paying because your business is going to be open immediately. If you were to go to your local office and decide that you want to, apply for a business license, and you're going to have to do, it's going to be a whole lot of other things you're going to have to get insurance. You're going to have to get, it's a lot of different things that you're going to have to get, and it's going to be thousands of dollars, not $179. You already have an established travel agency, and you're basically just joining on with them, and they are giving you your own booking engine, website, etc., so that you can go out there and market yourself as a travel agent, and you'll be able to book vacations and cruises and different types of things like that as a travel agent, owning your own home-based business. So that is what the fee is for. I had to pay it, and everybody else who's a travel agent had to pay it as well. You're not going to do this for free. Now, there are several companies out there that will hire you to be a travel agent, but guess what? You're going to get paid by the hour. You're not going to earn any commissions. They're going to earn the commissions, okay? So yes, there are companies out there that will hire you to be a travel agent. As a matter of fact, I think that, if I'm not mistaken, I think American Express does it. They actually hire like travel consultants. I posted about this before. I'll find that and I'll put those links down in the description box for those of you that are interested in just working for somebody else, being a travel agent as opposed to owning your own home-based business. The difference is you're not going to be able to make your own schedule, okay? You're going to have to work on a schedule when you're working for somebody else, so you're going to have set hours. Being a travel business owner, you're going to be able to make your own hours. Not only are you going to be able to make your own hours, you're going to be able to say, okay, today I don't feel like doing this, okay? Tomorrow I might feel like putting in, 9-10 hours doing it. Tomorrow I might decide that I want to go on a vacation. You're not going to be able to do that working for somebody else as a travel agent, because you're going to have to, man the phones, or you're going to have to do whatever it is you're required to do working for someone else. So that is the difference in being a travel business owner, being a travel agent for yourself, and being a travel agent working for someone else. So to the person who asked what the fees are, it's $179 to get started, and it's $39.95 per month. However, there is another opportunity that you can join in on, and that is being a rep. Okay, and what a rep is basically that you introduce the opportunity to other people, and by them joining your team and you teaching them and coaching them on how to be a travel agent as well, you're teaching them how to find exclusive deals. You're teaching them how to book vacations. Don't get me wrong. They give you all of this information in your back office when you join on. They literally have an entire university with all of the training you need. They give you marketing materials, how to market yourself as a travel business owner, all of this, okay? However, when you join in with a person, they give you like I said, my coach, the knowledge that she gave me is way more, okay? Way more than I would have found in the university. I mean, she is like thebomb.com. And of course, anybody who's attached to me is attached to her. So if I know it, you know it. That's period, point blank. And I've already had 2 people that said that they want, their families take a lot of vacations. So they thought it was a great opportunity, not just, not even introducing the opportunity to other people, because you can literally change people's lives with this. My life is being changed. I am literally going on 2 vacations this month in June. I've never really been anywhere like that before. I was going, like I told you guys, I was going to Orlando. I think we've changed our minds on Orlando. The Juice Man is thinking that maybe we should do road tripping in June and just, stay in, because as a travel agent, I also get exclusive deals. I get travel agent rates on hotels. Okay. A lot of people have that question. I get deals on hotels. So I get discounted, like, as opposed to, just say for instance, you might pay $200 for a hotel stay for one night. Me being a travel agent, I might pay maybe $110 for that same hotel that you're paying $200 for, okay? So you're not going to get these rooms for free. However, being a travel agent, there are opportunities where you can get free hotel night stays, okay? So there's a lot of perks that goes into this, and way more than I can put into one video and explain to you guys. But again, I have a lot of information over there on Facebook. So if you want to know more, there is a 24-hour travel agent blitz group that I can add you into. Okay, I would personally have to add you into the group, and it'll literally break down everything that you need to know. Okay, literally break it down. I'm talking about everything that you need to know. You'll be able to find out. A lot of people say, well, if I have children, how am I able to travel? If I have children, what about XYZ? What about this? There's literally an entire breakdown of everything that you need to know over there in that 24-hour group. I will add you to the group, but you're only going to be allowed to be in the group for 24 hours. So, and the videos are not very long. And these are not just some scripted videos. These are videos from actual travel agents who have been in this business and who have been able to travel while getting paid to do it. Okay, so that's it and that's all. So if you're interested, again, the link is down in the description box. Come on over, add me as a friend, shoot me a message over there, and I will add you to the group if you're interested, okay? I don't, like I said, I'm one of those types of people. I don't like to sell anybody anything. That's one of the reasons why I haven't been coming over here and telling you guys, come over and join my team. I feel like this. I feel like you should watch me do what I do, and then make your own, judgment call. A lot of people aren't, a lot of people don't travel. So I always like to tell people as well, if you're not a person who enjoys traveling, if you're not a person who knows a lot of people who enjoy traveling, if you're not a business-minded person, because you have to be a business-minded person because you're going to be your own travel business owner. It's going to be your business. So you're not going to have somebody over your shoulder who's going to be telling you, okay, you need to go out there, you need to build these awesome vacation packages and present them to people, because we get exclusive deals for, a lot of these vacations that a lot of people don't know about. So you can, like I said, you don't have to even introduce the opportunity to other people. You can literally just be a literal travel agent where you go and find exclusive deals, build some vacation packages, present them to people, and people will come to you as a travel agent. They will book with you, and by them booking with you, you will be able to earn commissions from those vacations. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Like I said, the group will be able to explain everything to you, and I'm not trying to sell anything to anybody. For me being my own business owner as a travel agent and being able to get these exclusive deals for $179 one time, okay, and $39.95 per month was worth it to me. Okay, was literally worth it to me. However, because I know that there are a lot of other people out there who want to be travel agent business owners, I decided to join in on the rep side as well, which you do not have to do. You can literally sign up and be strictly a travel agent. Okay, you do not have to be a rep as well. And what the difference is between being a travel agent and a rep: as a travel agent, you're only able to book travel. That's it. You're only able to book travel and receive commissions for booking the travel. And as a rep, you're also able to introduce the opportunity to other people. That way they can make the, judgment call as to whether or not they want to actually be a travel business owner as well. And for that, you also receive a commission for that as well. Basically, you're coaching people on how to earn more, travel more, and save more. Period, point blank, exclamation point. So like I said, for me personally, it was worth it. I will pay the $179 again if I have to, but it's literally $179 one time. And the great thing about it, you guys, how many companies do you know that will tell you, look, okay, we'll give you 30 days to, test the waters. And if after 30 days you decide that this is not the opportunity for me, we will refund you your money if it's within those 30 days. Okay, you're not going to be able to go 45 days and say I want my money back. Okay, and my thing is this: if you're a person who loves to travel, once you see the perks and the opportunity that you have literally, set yourself up for, the amazingly amazing benefits that you have set yourself up for, you'll be like, the $179 was nothing. Okay, and plus, like I said, $39.95 a month. You have to pay overhead. You have to pay for your website. You still have a website with the booking engine. You're paying for access to all these vendors. It's phenomenal. Okay, and you're not going to be by yourself, especially if you join on with me. You're not going to be by yourself. We have an entire group of amazingly amazing women. If I don't know the answer, 9 times out of 9, they're going to know the answer. Okay, literally, it's like a group full of nothing but information. Okay, if you need to book cabins, if you want to book a freaking trip to Egypt, trust me, we got you over there. That's all I'm going to say. Follow me on Facebook. Go and add me as a friend. Shoot me a message, and I'll add you to the 24-hour group if you're interested. But please don't waste my time or yours, because again, I'm not selling anybody anything. All I'm doing is telling you guys about the opportunity, because a lot of you guys are still asking about it. But don't waste my time or yours, because you're not going to be able to be a business owner for free. A lot of people want to, there are a lot of work at home opportunities that you can do for free, and I share those with you guys all the time. So if you're a person who, you're not a business minded person and you don't want to have to spend any money to own a business, definitely check out my website. Is wahjobqueen.com. That link will also be down in the description box. It will show you a ton of legitimate work at home job opportunities that you can get in on for 100% free with no investment. Okay, but if you actually want to be a business owner for your work for yourself, be able to make your own hours, etc., it's going to cost you money to be a travel agent and own your own home-based travel agent business. So that's it in a nutshell. For those of you that are interested in travel agent business, link down in the description box. Come and add me as a friend on Facebook. Join my Dream Travel Vacation Facebook group down in the description box. And just shoot me a message and I will add you to the group where it'll give you more insight into the business. It'll basically answer all of your questions that you have as far as, if you have children traveling, a lot of different things. Okay, basically everything that you need to know will be in this group. And like I said, shoot me a message on Facebook and I will add you to the group. I love y'all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.